Ever feel like your Ecovacs Deebot T8 has a mind of its own, bumping into everything and leaving half your floor dirty? This isn't just about a bad mood swing for your robot. A faulty wheel module often means the internal motor or gears are struggling, leading to that erratic, inefficient movement. And that noisy, underperforming main brush? It's usually a sign of worn-out bearings or a damaged motor causing poor rotation and suction. Ignoring these issues isn't just annoying. It leads to an uncleaned home, increased energy consumption, and can even cause further, more expensive damage to your beloved Deebot. Plus, who wants to hear that constant grinding every time it tries to clean? Don't worry, you don't need to replace your entire robot. Robocare specializes in Deebot T8 repair. At Robocare, we don't just fix robot vacuums, we specialize in them. We know precisely how to diagnose those erratic movements and irritating noises. We use advanced diagnostic equipment to pinpoint the exact cause of the faulty wheel module, whether it's a worn gear or a motor malfunction. Similarly, for the main brush, we don't just replace it. We assess the entire brush assembly, checking for motor wear or bearing issues. We meticulously replace defective parts with genuine components, ensuring your Deebot T8 runs smoothly and quietly again, just like new. We're not just about quick fixes, we're about lasting solutions for your Deebot T8 repair. Now, we'll show you the results. After Robocare's expert repair, this Ecovacs Deebot T8 is back to peak performance. With its faulty wheel module and faulty main brush expertly replaced, it cleans efficiently and moves flawlessly. For all your robot vacuum repair needs, trust the specialists at Robocare. Visit our website or call us today.